I'm about to unlock the secrets of music theory today for you, specifically how to quickly memorize any and all of the modes. If you study this video, you'll be able to play in all of the 7 modes. Now don't get bogged down by all of the terms you see on your screen, but look at this C. We're going to call C the tonic. That just means that's the note we're going to start on. Now if you look real quick, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, those are the only 7 notes in our scale. Above this graph, you'll see all of the church modes. So if we were to play from C to C, that's called our Ionian mode. If we were to play the exact same scale, but from D to D, that's called Dorian. The third, which would be E to E, is Phrygian. Then from F to F is Lydian. Mixolydian is G to G. And then our Aeolian, which is our A to A scale, is our minor scale. And then Locrian is our final scale from B to B. It's why pianists love playing with the white keys, because if you can start on any of the notes, you can find success improvising as long as you don't play any of the black keys. Now, in terms of the church modes, there's 7 modes: Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian, and Locrian. If you study these 7 modes here, you're going to be able to improvise in any key. If you're like me and you want to learn more about music theory but don't know where to start, check out our online course on music theory and songwriting for beginners and learn how to write your very own song at your own pace at the davisacademyofmusic.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun content like this.